In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to lighten skin tone in Photoshop from beginner to pro in a minute or less. This is going to be an easy method but most effective. Even if you haven't watched any of my videos, watch this. It might be helpful. Wait to the very end. There's something you would love to learn. Enjoy. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Open your image in Photoshop. Then go to select. Select coloring. Make sure skin tone is checked. And adjust fastness to select only the skin tones, okay? But I'm going to set it to 15. I'm going to fix it later, okay? But it's kind of weird. Make sure selection is checked here. Selection preview is none. And the invert is unchecked. Then you press OK. Hold on. I'm actually a bit slow, so yeah. As you can see, it has selected more than you wanted, okay? This image is not going to be like this for all images. But this image is kind of, there's different light from different angle. So I'm going to select my quick selection tool. Hold Alt on the keyboard. And remove some parts of the selection side on it. I'll fix the rest later. So here, go to solid color. You go to this round circle here, click on it, choose solid color, and choose a lighter color, okay, like white. Press OK. Come to your blending options and choose soft light, okay. Now you left click on a layer and go to blending options. Choose the underlying layer, drag a bit, and hold Alt option to split transition. Hold Alt and split the transition, okay. Okay, now select, double tap on, let's go back, sorry. Double tap on this layer and choose the color you want for your skin tone, okay. So I think I'm going for this. Okay. Then you press OK. As you can see, these are before and after, before and after. But I want to fix the shade because some part of the shade were selected when we're selecting the skin tone. So I'm going to go to this layer marks. Make sure my foreground color is black, and I'm going to choose the brush tool. Okay, and I'm going to drag to face. You can see. I'm going to fix areas that I'm going to select it. Also wait till the end. I have a very technique for you. Okay. So if by any way you are enjoying this video, make sure to give this video a like. Not just give this video a like, also subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future Photoshop tutorials, tips and tricks. Bracket keys to resize your brush. As you can see. Before and after. Control 0 to fit into Photoshop. So you can see these are before and after. So we lighten the skin tone. But there's one thing. What if you also want to darken the skin tone? So let's duplicate our layer. Control G. And then let's hide this layer. Okay. Let's hide this layer. Then double tap on this layer. Press 0 on your keyboard. Boom. Now done. So as you can also see, let's zoom out and see. And the same step, you use it to darken the skin tone. So this is our before, our after. Now our first process, and when we lighten the skin tone, this was our after, and this was our before. So if you found any video, make sure to subscribe, guys. I really need your support. Subscribe, give this video a like. Okay, so I'm going to delete the darkening here because that was not what we were doing. I was just showing you a tip or trick. Okay, you can practice on your own time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Okay, so Control 0 to fit into Photoshop. So I think I'm going to decrease the opacity a bit. Okay, and then this is our before, our after, our before and after. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.